Manchester United have just made themselves favourites for the Premier League. A double swoop, which has been officially announced this evening. Manchester United have been an absolute disgrace of a football club since Alex Ferguson parted ways many, many moons ago. The Glazers, as we know, have been fleecing the football club for many, many years. But Ineos have stepped in, and they are genuinely scary, scintillating, and dangerous. And with the double signings they've made today, the business they've done this transfer window, getting the likes of Greenwood out, getting the likes of Wan-Bissaka out, McTominay looks like he could be leaving. The defence has been sorted out. The additions that they've made this summer make them scintillating, scary, and dangerous champions-elect. If you're a blue from Manchester, if you're an Arsenal fan as I am, and it pains me to say it as an Arsenal fan, it really does. From the bottom of my heart, it pains me to say it as an Arsenal fan. They are favourites for the Premier League, and I think they'll win the Premier League. Now, listen, if you're new around here, make sure you do go down below, hit a like on the video. Make sure you are subscribed as well. Yesterday's video, 58.6% of the people that watched the video yesterday, big up to the 20,000 who did, were subscribed, sorry. So 58.6 of you were subscribed. Make sure if you're not subscribed to subscribe, because listen, like I said, I'm an Arsenal fan. It pains me to say it. It really does. And I want to be as level-headed as possible because that's what it's about. But, oh my God, Manchester United are cooking. And they're not cooking salmonella. This Ineos mob are not mucking around. They've got Brailsford in there. They've got Wilcox in there. The Glazers have took a back step. They got Barada in there now. Ten Hag looks like he's getting his act together, coming off of the back of back-to-back trophies. Whilst everything was up in the air, the ownership, you know, Sir Jim's gone in there. He's ripped up the whole lot. He's put that in the shredder. That's gone into the garbage after that. And this summer, if you're a Manchester United fan, you must be absolutely over the moon with the business that you have done. I mean, it's nothing short of sensational. Yeah, Man United are dangerous, extremely dangerous. And so are all the clickbait merchants out there as well. We can do that as well, fellas. Do you know what I'm saying? And I can do it better than you, bruv. Yeah. 58.6 are subscribed that watched my video yesterday. None of this 89.8 weren't subscribed. And get out of here, bruv. Yeah, we're going to do this all season, because if this is where we're going with YouTube content creators, then cool. I'm petty. I'm petty. I'm extremely petty. Yeah, nobody's beating me. Nobody's beating me. And I can do sarcasm better than anyone. So, oh my God, Man United are dangerous, scary, scintillating champions. What they have done this summer is amazing. Yeah, now all they need is that missing piece of the jigsaw in midfield. And if they get that missing piece of the jigsaw, which seems like it could be Ugarte, despite what you think of Ugarte, the way Ten Hag is assembling his squad this summer, the way that Ineos have come in and they've stamped their authority, is nothing short of sensational. And like I said, it pains me as an Arsenal fan to say this, but Man United will win the league. They will win the league. They've got the income. They've got the resources. They've got the hierarchy now. They're spending the money. They've got players they're still going to get rid of. They've got Casemiro absolutely cooking this pre-season. Jadon Sancho, a little bit up in the air as to whether he's going to go, but Fabrizio put something out about 20 minutes before I started recording this saying that no bids. No bids. Marcus Rashford, the star boy, he's not looked great in pre-season. However, if you get a tune out of him, the guy is dangerous. He's scary. You know, you've got some good players at Man United. The backline is sorted for the next 5 years at least. Absolutely sorted. So Man United are going to cook this season. I genuinely believe that. And like I said, it pains me as an Arsenal fan to say that, because obviously you are my rival. Yeah, Tottenham are not my rival. However, most Arsenal fans think that Tottenham are rivals, which is why it's a bit of a mazza. It's a bit of a mazza, bruv. But anyway, Man United are the rival. And Man United are back. See, I can do it as well. It's easy to clickbait this crap, isn't it? It's easy to chat shit for 5 minutes on a video. It's easy to do these and put a couple of players, oh my God, and makes it, yeah, it's very easy. Yeah, I can do that as well. Yeah, and trust me, I'm doing it all season. Yeah, you man want to do it? I'm doing it as well. And I can do it better than you because I'm petty. Anyway, back to life. Back to reality. I don't need to delete videos over here either. I don't need to change titles 60 times. I don't need to premiere a video, collab video, then delete it because it only had 300 views. I don't need to re-upload it and then delete it because it only had 700 views in 3 hours. But don't worry, Rafinha is coming to Arsenal. No, he's not. Anyway, let's share the screen because we do have some scintillating news from Manchester United. And all jokes aside now, we'll go back to authenticity level 100 because that's what we do over here. We do authenticity, guys. We don't do bullshit, but I will do bullshit and I will do it better than everyone. So we can play this game all season and I will win. Oh, sorry, that's everyone's tears. My bad. Anyway, transfer news. De Ligt has signed for Manchester United. Manchester United is pleased to confirm that Matthijs de Ligt has joined the club, subject to registration. The Netherlands international has signed a contract until June 29 with the option to extend for a further year. The age of 25. I thought he was older than that. I can't lie. De Ligt's already won a league title in 3 countries with Ajax, Juve and Bayern. The former Copper Trophy and Golden Boy winner has made 324 club appearances and 45 international caps. De Ligt said, let's get rid of that, F your tickets. De Ligt said, as soon as I heard that Manchester United wanted me, I felt the excitement, the aura of Manchester United. The pull was too big. And I'm excited about the opportunity for a new challenge at this historic club. In conversation that followed, I was impressed by the vision that the football leadership set out and the role they saw for me in it. He's talking the big talk. Erik ten Hag shaped like an egg in his early stages of my career. So he knows how to get the best out of me, and I cannot wait to work with him again. I know what it takes to succeed at the highest level, and I'm determined to continue that record at this special club. Dan Ashworth, Mr. Ashworth, there he is. Manchester United sporting director said Matthijs is an outstanding defender and a proven winner who will add quality, experience and leadership to the existing group of senior players. He's already enjoyed considerable success in his career, and we are convinced that his best years are still ahead. We want to help him achieve them at Manchester United. They're talking the good talk, aren't they? What else we got here? Luke Shaw is injured. Shock. Anyway, Wan-Bissaka's obviously left. But let's go to the second signing because it was a double dagger. A double dagger, guys. We got the double dagger, which has made them scintillating and scary. They're dangerous. They're champions-elect, guys. Yeah, they're dangerous. So, listen, don't F with Man United because real talk here, all jokes aside with the sarcasm, if Man United actually get this right, yeah, and I'm talking real talk now, I'm not taking the piss. Real talk. If Man United actually get this right, yeah, from the hierarchy, which I think they might, and they actually get the right manager because he ain't it. Let's just be real. All jokes aside, that guy ain't the manager, bruv, to win you major honours. However, 2 years in a row he's won a trophy. But if Man United, with the resources they have, yeah, and with the hierarchy they've now got, if they actually get it right, everyone's finished because they should be the Real Madrid of England. And I've said this for a long time. However, let's go. Manchester United is pleased to confirm that Noussair Mazraoui has joined the club subject to registration. The Morocco international has signed a contract till June 28 with the option to extend for a further year. Mazraoui, 26, won 4 league titles, 3 with Ajax and 1 with Bayern München. The fullback has made 28 appearances for his country and was a key part of the team that reached the semis of the FIFA 22 World Cup. Mazraoui said, it is an incredible feeling to be a Manchester United player and I cannot wait to walk out at Old Trafford wearing the red shirt. I know that I am joining a club at an exciting time. It's exciting, guys. Everyone I've spoken to has the same ambition for us to win trophies together, and I can feel the determination to achieve that. The Eggs then said, no, he never. Eric Ten Hag played an important part in my development as a player, so it's excited to be reuniting with him as I enter my prime years of my career. I know what he expects from his players, and I'll give everything to help the group be successful. Ashworth's at it again. Nasser is a dynamic attacking fullback who can play both left and right side of defense. His experience and versatility. That buzzword, guys. The beers are in the freezer, so we'll have to go with the agua. Will make him an excellent addition to our squad. Having already won a number of trophies in his career, we know that Nasser's winning mentality, tactics and mentality, guys, will be a real asset to the group as we work together to deliver the success required at United. Well, listen, it's all exciting times for Manchester United, I can't lie. And if you are one of the 41.4% of people that were not subscribed, 41.4% of the people who viewed the last video that are not subscribed out of the 20,000 who viewed that did, and bless up to you, make sure you go downstairs, yeah, and subscribe. Make sure you are sticking a thumbs up on the video, and let me know how scary and dangerous Manchester United are now. Xerxes, new signing, obviously, we haven't seen him yet. He's obviously not in the squad as far as I'm aware for the game on Friday. But you must be really excited as Manchester United fans. I can't lie, because your summer window has been exactly what I expected it would turn out to be. Because Manchester United are the biggest club in England for a reason. Now you're starting to act like a big club. And that's surely something that excites you as Manchester United fans. And I wanted my community to let me know how excited they are. I couldn't let this swerve, guys. I had to let it out. I had to let it go. Go away, Anna. Okay, bye. But big up to all of you lot. And we can do this all season. I'm ready because tomorrow we got Real Madrid in Adamas. Camavinga's out, though. He's injured in training. Human. Anyway, big up to everyone locked in. I will be back on here tomorrow. I will be doing the watch along. Thursday, La Liga starts. The best league in the world. And then Friday, United. And when they beat Fulham, we will have a match reaction out on here. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled. Maybe I should do it live. Yeah, when I can't do them live, if there's back-to-back games for La Liga after Premier League and vice versa, then maybe I'll just do the uploads of them. However, maybe I should go straight live afterwards and say how scary and scintillating and dangerous and worrying Man United are after they slap Fulham on Friday. But let me know your thoughts on the signings. Let me know your thoughts on the window in general. And like I say, as Man United fans, people are talking about West Ham. They've won the transfer window. The team that wins the league wins the transfer window. Let's just be real. But let's stop playing these stupid BS games. However, as a Man United fan, you must be absolutely over the moon. Now, let me know in the comment section down there. Big up to everyone. We're flying towards that 35,000 subscribers. And it's an absolute honor to share a platform with you guys. And it means the absolute world to me. Even as an Arsenal fan, I have to humble myself with the business Man United have done. You know, it pains me to say it. It pains me to say it. But it is what it is. But listen, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you get your comments in down below. Make sure you are sticking a thumbs up on the video. Let's see if we can hit 1,000 likes on this. The last 10 videos, we've caked it anyway. But I'm not taking it for granted, guys, because, listen, it is what it is. I just want to stay as level-headed about rivals as I can. Adios. Ciao. We're out.